Today I'm going to teach you how to generate a QR code for your Facebook business page. This is a fantastic way to make it easier for customers to find and connect with your business, whether you're adding it to printed materials, business cards, or promotional content. First, let's start by heading over to facebook.com in your web browser. Once you're there, log in to your Facebook business account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your business homepage. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to click on your business profile, which will be displayed as the name of your business. This is important because it takes you directly to the page you want to create a QR code for rather than your personal profile. Once you click on your business profile, you'll be directed to your Facebook Business Management page. This is where you can see all your posts, reviews, and page information. Now, here's a crucial step. Locate the address bar at the top of your browser. This bar contains your Facebook page's URL, which is the unique web address for your business page. Go ahead and copy this URL. You can do this by clicking in the address bar, selecting all the text, and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Make sure you've copied the entire URL as you'll need it in just a moment. Now that you have your Facebook URL copied, open a new browser tab. In this new tab, head over to qrcode-monkey.com and hit enter. This website is a free tool that allows you to generate custom QR codes quickly and easily. Once the page loads, you'll see several fields that you need to fill out to create your Facebook QR code. Start by entering your page's URL, the one that you copied earlier, into the designated field. This tells the QR code generator where to direct people when they scan the code. Next, you can customize the appearance of your QR code. Under the Set Color section, you can choose a color scheme that matches your brand identity. This is optional, but it's a nice touch if you want the QR code to blend with your marketing materials. You also have the option to add a logo image from various platforms. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Facebook icon, which makes it immediately recognizable as a link to your Facebook page. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on Create QR Code. The website will process your request and generate a QR code that links directly to your Facebook business page. After the QR code appears on your screen, you have two options. You can either use a snipping tool to capture the image, or you can download it as a PNG file by clicking the download button. This gives you a high-quality image that you can use across various platforms and materials. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Facebook business page that anyone can scan to instantly visit your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.